kiddos, and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another what I ate in a day video. Today's video is going to be focusing on high protein vegan meals. Recently I have been trying something new. I've been trying to eat a higher protein diet, so I've been trying to hit a minimum of 100 grams of protein a day. Basically I want to grow muscle and lose fat, you know, just like what everybody wants to do. Before I get started, did you notice I got some new merch going on, guys? Oh my gosh. Okay, isn't this the cutest little hoodie? Can we take a moment? This one says Savage Beast. Okay, Savage as in S-A-V-E-G. It's a little play on words. Basically, if you guys don't know, my cafe, which is a vegan cafe, is called Savage Cafe. I thought, you know, it'd be kind of fun to have merch that also said Savage something. What do you think? What do you think? I think it's cute. I think this one is my favorite style, the hoodie. Oh, it's so cute, so comfortable. I love this color. Don't mind my pajama shorts, okay? But let me show you the other style as well. So let me go change right now. All right, this is another one of the shirts. It's quite similar, but this one says Savage Queen. I love it. Oh my gosh, I think it's so cute. I am obsessed. Oh, guys. Seriously, my merch. If you guys are interested in this style or the other style you've seen, I also have another style that'll flash right here. Definitely check out the link down below. You can check out the different styles, different sizes, and different colors and see what suits you. It is limited edition, so don't forget to grab a shirt if you guys are interested. And without further ado, let's get started with what I ate in a day, high protein vegan edition. So I'm just gonna measure my spinach. For 3 cups of spinach, there's 2 grams of protein and only 20 calories. We're gonna add in tons of spinach. This is frozen spinach. I add in 100 grams of spinach. There we go. We're also gonna add some hemp hearts and some chia seeds. I'm starting out with about a cup of almond milk. Two tablespoons of hemp seeds. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Some frozen fruit. I've got frozen strawberries, frozen pineapple, blueberries. Let's just throw some of that in there. Doop, 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 doop. It's getting full. And we're adding some of this rice protein. Now this is weird and it doesn't come with a scoop. So we're gonna add in however much. Morning! Oji! Oji. What up, what up, what up? Hi Oji. Where'd you go? What are you doing? Oji! Are you disturbing me now? So I fill the rest with water and then blend it away. Oji, are you being trained?
Stay. Okay, go!
Oh! Of course he gets the food. And there is my smoothie. This actually turned out to be a whopping 38 grams of protein. So pretty good start to the day. For a snack, I decided to have a little peach. This is one of the peaches that I got from Kelowna. I went on a little trip. If you guys want to see a vlog on my second channel, the link will be below. For lunch, I'm having some buckwheat noodles. I decided to make a cold Korean spicy buckwheat noodle thing, and buckwheat noodles are a bit higher in protein than other types of noodles, so I would recommend that if you're trying to add in more protein. And of course, we're going to chop some vegetables, starting with some green bell peppers. We also are going to add some tomatoes. And for this meal, the main protein source will be beans. I've got some edamame beans, and I love these so much. We also have some chickpeas as well. Anyone else sing while they cook? So while the noodles and beans are cooking, we are going to actually make our sauce very quickly. I'm just adding some Korean red pepper paste, gochujang, into a bowl along with some soy sauce and some vinegar. I'm not measuring anything, guys. I am just free pouring. I'm also adding some garlic powder, a little bit more gochujang. You can get gochujang in Korean supermarkets, by the way. I also added a little drop of agave nectar, and that's the sauce. So now we're just going to assemble the bowl. I did rinse out the noodles and beans in cold water after they have finished. And we're just going to mix everything together. I like to add a little bit of sauce at a time, just depending on my preference. I don't want to add too much sauce because it is spicy, okay? And we're going to, of course, add in those chickpeas. I also threw in some cucumber for some additional freshness, and of course a little side of kimchi. This is my mom's vegan kimchi. It's so good. We're also going to top everything off with some toasted sesame seeds, and there you have a very delicious cold spicy Korean noodle bowl. This is definitely one of my favorite things to eat in the summer. It's so good, and you can pack in so many nutrients in there, but it's also very delicious and refreshing. This lunch was a total of 536 calories and 26 grams of protein. And of course, I'm having a snack. I'm having a little bit of brown rice with lots of veggies, a little avocado, and some sriracha mayo, along with a bit of brown lentil action in this bowl. And this is just like a random bowl, but it was really yummy. I like to have random snacks like this sometimes. I'm weird, I know. And here's another random high protein snack. I've got some brown rice, firm tofu, and some lentils that were marinated in Korean barbecue sauce. And now it's time for dinner. We are going to cook up one of my favorite sources of vegan protein, which is tofu. If you guys have not seen my tofu video, definitely check it out. It talks about how to cook tofu, different types of tofu, and basically everything you might want to know about tofu. And this time I'm just going to cut the tofu up into cubes and just cook it up in a wok. The trick with tofu is to let it cook, guys. Be patient. So I have it just sitting here on medium-high heat, and then I can just toss it in a few minutes. And while we're waiting for that, we're going to chop up our vegetables, including onions and zucchini. Let's also throw in some green bell peppers once again. And because I'm making a delicious Asian style stir fry, I'm also going to throw in a little bit of fresh ginger, which is going to give it such a nice flavor. Once we've chopped up the vegetables, let's give the tofu a little bit of a stir/toss. As you can see, some of the sides have browns. So that's the trick, guys. You want to leave it on the heat for a bit. Don't move it around too much, and just toss it after a few minutes. So we're going to keep cooking the tofu, and now we're going to cook the vegetables, starting with the onions. We're also going to throw in some minced garlic and, of course, that ginger that we chopped earlier. And to help me cook, I'm just adding a little bit of water so it doesn't stick too much to the pan. And after a couple minutes, let's just throw in the rest of the vegetables. And I'm really lazy, so I just threw in some teriyaki marinade. This is just some teriyaki sauce that's just gonna give it some flavor. I wanted a simple stir fry. I didn't want to think too much of it, so there you go. Just a simple teriyaki sauce. We're gonna finish up cooking that tofu. And now it is time for dinner. I already had some cooked brown rice that I just heated up, and I'm just going to add about half of those veggies and half of that tofu. So I'm having about half a block of firm tofu here. And I had some leftover sauce from my lunch, so I'm just gonna add that to the plate as well. Top everything off with toasted sesame seeds as usual. And there is my dinner, guys. So my dinner was 380 calories and it was 29 grams of protein. Now that's not adding all of the veggies. Quite often when I count my calories or protein or whatever, I don't always count all of the veggies that I'm eating because I feel like it's so minuscule, and I try to just let myself eat as many veggies as possible. And according to my calorie and macro tracker, I consumed 1,604 calories on this day. I'm sure we can give or take a few calories, but that was the approximation. We've had a total of 101 grams of protein, 212 grams of carbohydrates, and 48 grams of fat. So that brings us to 50% of my calories coming from carbohydrates, 25% from fat, and 25% from protein. Alright guys, that is it for my what I ate in a day high protein vegan edition. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And of course, do not forget to check out the Savage collection, my merch, y'all. Okay, don't forget to check out my merch. I love saying merch. I don't know why. The link will be below to the Savage collection. These will not be around forever. They are limited edition, so don't forget to check the shirts out and grab one if you guys are interested. And yeah, you can help support the channel that way, but you do not have to grab a shirt, of course. Just by you watching, you are supporting my channel, so I would like to say thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!